Nigeria Police Force, NPF, under the leadership of the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Egbetokun, who is currently in the United States, US, attending the International Association of Chiefs of Police, IACP Annual Conference in Denver, Colorado, USA, alongside other senior police officers, has warned troublemakers to resist the temptation of hijacking the Free Nnamdi Kanu protest slated to hold today across the West Africa country by the organizers and other group of Nigerians to demand the release of the detained Biafra Republic agitation leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Also, the NPF reminded the organizers and the protesters to respect the federal High Court order that restricted them from staging the protest in certain areas in Abuja, such areas which included Aso Rock Villa and its environs, the National Assembly Complex, Force Headquarters, the Court of Appeal, Eagle Square and Shehu Shagari Way, while assuring the protesters of protection. The NPF, in a statement issued and made available by the force spokesperson, Benjamin Hundean, indicated that the Nigeria Police Force reaffirms its unwavering commitment to upholding the rule of law and maintaining public peace in accordance with constitutional provisions. This follows the subsisting order of the Federal High Court, Abuja Division, given on the 17th of October 2025, by Honorable Justice M.G. Umar, in suit number FHC, ABJ, CS, 2202-2025, Federal Republic of Nigeria vs. Omoyele Sowore and 4 others. The order restrains the respondents and any other persons or groups acting under their instruction from staging protests within and around Aso Rock Villa and its environs, the National Assembly Complex, Force Headquarters, the Court of Appeal, Eagle Square and Shehu Shagari Way. In deference to the authority of the court and in line with the constitutional mandate of the police to enforce law and order, the force hereby calls on all groups, whether in support of or opposed to the ongoing agitation for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to adhere strictly to the provisions of the court order. The directive remains binding and enforceable pending further judicial proceedings. The Nigeria Police Force recognizes and respects the rights of citizens to peaceful assembly and expression. However, such rights must be exercised responsibly and within the limits of the law, particularly where public safety, national security, and the rights of other citizens are concerned. The court's intervention is therefore a safeguard, not a suppression, of constitutional freedoms. Accordingly, all intending protesters and counter-protest groups are strongly advised to avoid restricted areas and to refrain from any act capable of provoking confrontation or disturbing public order. The force will ensure the free flow of traffic, protection of lives and property, and security of all law-abiding citizens. Any person or group that uses protests as cover to incite violence, carry or use offensive weapons, vandalize public or private property, kidnap, or engage in acts likely to cause loss of life or serious injury will be dealt with decisively. Offenders will be arrested, subjected